Last week was brutal. I gave up my home to live out of a Jeep, sleeping in parking lots, eating berries on the side of the road, and watching thousands of dollars disappear faster than I expected. This is week 2 of the survival trading challenge, where I'm trying to survive as a homeless trader, testing my strategy using a small account and a couple of prop firm accounts while keeping my expenses as low as possible. And this week, things got even crazier. I stumbled on unlimited apples by the side of the road, tried fishing for the first time using a drone, and placed trades that could either feed me or wipe me out all over again. So today's Monday. There's a lot of things I need to do for Maven, and I've been working on that today. You can see here doing interviews with people and whatnot. Total expenses today were a zilch because I made bread and soup at home, and that's freaking good. That's good bread, man. Let's show you a picture here. And some soup is a good soup too. I got a trick for the soup, right? What you do is you boil the bones for 24 hours, and then you put apple cider vinegar until they turn to mush, right? And then you pound them like fucking as hard as you can. Nah, it's not that hard, but mush them down like a potato masher, right? And then you get all that collagen out, and you can see I'd be a lot uglier if I wasn't doing that. Okay, my skin looks okay. Market overall is, again, it's looking really indecisive. Last week we had some range lock, which is a DMC sort of term that I talk about. Most likely we're going to be playing the range of the week. Anyways, $55 profit on the personal and 200 loss on the prop firm. Yo, we found our first like real food. There's a whole tree of these on the side of the road that I was able to find. We got unlimited apples for the next month probably. Now I've been able to find blackberries. I know where I can get some mushroom. The next step is fish, and then we're gonna get squirrel, and then from there we'll have to go for rabbit. But super exciting. Baby, we're not gonna die. Holding it.
Hopefully it doesn't drop.
Fishing with a drone, not a good idea. Drone is gone after 2 days. It's right there. I set a really awesome stink bid on the NASDAQ. Woke up to $200 profit. Absolute perfect sniper entry. I used an 8-hour time frame in order to find that level. 8 hours really nice because it's a combination of 2 4-hours, which people really like 4 hour. And it also controls like the whole session. It shows the whole session. So it gives you a really great indication of where things are going. But the issue is fucking Netflix opened with a tanker. And I've only got 5 Netflix contracts, but to be down $200 in one single stock investment is pretty shitty. I pushed the record button on this guy and it was recording before, so the screen is all foggy. So there's definitely waterlog in there. Definitely going to be a terrible shot. I think it's pretty much ruined. Unable to take off. Downward vision sensor. Yeah, all the controls work. Yeah, the thing's busted. I'm going to throw it out. Back at it. Markets are doing well again. I would like to get a better battery because that thing only lasts a few hours. So live streams are not ideal. We've got quite the beautiful setup here with a solar panel that almost keeps that thing going while the Starlink is going on the dock. And this is where I tried fishing yesterday. making some really good money. I basically hit the target today of what I wanted, $500 for a month on the personal account. Far so good. We're sitting at just under 500, a little bit up on the day. And the prop firm challenge, where we have taken a sell here, and we're only $500 off passing that. With good luck, we'll be done by today, if not tomorrow. We're on live stream currently, and we actually just technically passed, but I made a mistake. I accidentally went over the consistency score. I need another $145 more because one of the days I made 1,600, and because there's a 50% consistency score, I need to get one more quick little scalp trade. I should come down for 145. There's like a 98% chance that this works. Let's go, baby. Once this hits, we're gonna do a giveaway. Giveaways on live stream every single day. Tune in, Dumb Money Hunter. Hit it, boy. Order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled, order filled. I just want to get the order filled. Don't do that. Huh? Do this every time, bro. Let's go. Okay, this will hit. No.
Order cancel.
Order rejected.
Order not filled.
Order rejected. Let's go. What the fuck, dude?
Order filled.
There we go. Is that the right number? No! I need one
Bling,
more.
bling, DMC.
I need like $1 more. I'm just gonna sell massively. And so it looks like this might be my lucky spot. I rather like this dock. Starlink is absolutely kicking it here somewhere on the dock there. Battery lasted me all day and stream went well. So the updates, we have $626 remaining because I haven't spent anything so far this week. Maybe $5 on pizza, something like that. I have now passed one prop firm challenge with one remaining. I blew one. So now we have a really good opportunity to make a payout. I'm going to go for a smaller payout because I want to ensure that I get that profit rolling. I want to increase the likelihood that I get a payout. So I'm going to shoot for maybe $2,000 equal to my drawdown for that payout, and then pull out 1,000, and then from there, I have another month to live off of that $1,000. I'm really nervous about Netflix. So Netflix has been crashing past couple days. I had bought some and I DCA'd in. I'll show you the chart here. That it's just been crashing. I decided to cut some of my losses, and then I'm going to add some more on these range lows. Now, something I do whenever I have a trade that I feel hope for. So I'm really recognizing my emotions in trading. So what I do that still allows me to still feel like I'm in the trade is I close out the majority of it. From there, I will add later, and then I can get out of the rest of it and kind of cover those losses. So I still have that connection to it. I haven't like fully taken the loss sort of thing. So it does help me a little bit mentally without me being at risk. So we're now sitting at $760 profit. Prop firm account as well now has $750 profit on the funded. 3 more days on the prop firm challenge. I really need to make that payout, so I'm going to shoot for minimums for the next 3 days sort of thing, $300 a day sort of thing. And then as long as I get $1,000 payout, so I'm going to shoot for $2,000, take half of it, and then $1,000 is enough to make me survive for another month. And then from there, I have the freedom to continue to trade and prolong this challenge as long as possible while growing that personal account. And the more time I'm in this, the more buffer I'm going to build up on that personal account, which is going to make me safer and safer and safer over time. So next week is going to be the big important one. And if we do not get a payout, I'm going to be really crunching for food. So the totals are end of week 2, we have $763 gained on the personal account, which is 7.6% in 2 weeks, which is incredible. On the prop firm challenge, we managed to pass one challenge, failed one challenge, and now the funded account is sitting on $750 and only a couple more days before I can get a payout. And the cash remaining is only $230 actually, because I had to buy that gym pass and gas yesterday. So that's pretty much the last of my money. I have to save that for an emergency challenge if I need to. So no more eating next week. Tune in to see me, you'll scroll.